In this video, I'll show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp on iPhone. Open WhatsApp and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select settings from the drop-down menu. On the settings page, tap privacy and then tap on last seen and online to access your online status settings. You'll see several options for who can view your last seen and online status. Everyone, which is all WhatsApp users, can see your status. My contacts, only people in your contact list can see your status. My contacts except allows you to exclude specific contacts from seeing your status. Nobody means no one can see your online status. On this page, you can control who can see your online status. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.